Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today, like you see with me, I back with another website. It's called Wix, and Wix is a cloud-based website builder that allows individuals and businesses to create professional-looking websites without the need for coding or technical expertise. And to get started with this website, simply head on over to Wix or Wix.com in Google or any other browser that you prefer. And this is all the results I have here. I have in the first some associates with Wix.com and BigCommerce, and I have here the official sites and some images and also their page on Twitter and some videos about it on YouTube and others results here. We need the official site, that means the second results, this one, Wix.com. Yeah, it's in French. That means create a site, internet, and creation internet sites. So this is the homepage or on the interface of the website. And there is something very important here is to change the language. It's from this one here. You can change to the language that you understand. And this is all the information that it's the first page contain. We will see them later after I show you how to get started or how to create an account on the website. To get started with this website, you need just to click on get started from here. And once you click on it, the present page will just show. So if you have already an account in Wix, you need just to click on here and type your email and password. Now for us, this is the first time we will create an account on Wix, so we need to type this information over here. We need to type our email and retype it. That means write it again. Then we need to type password that we can remember it. And retype it again. And just click on sign up. Now we have this question to answer, and just you can skip the step if you don't want to answer. The first, who are you creating a website for? That means the purpose that we creating the website Wix for yourself and your business or a friend, or for a client as a freelancer or agency. Okay, let's just click on the first one, because this answers is independent to you and what you want. What kind of websites are you creating? Do you create an online store website or portfolio website or blog on consultants, technology company, restaurants, or events? Okay, I will choose the events. Event designer. I was already in this project. So yeah, and then you will just click to next. Now for waiting for a moment for the dashboard. And this website creation offers a drag and drop editor that enable users to easily create and customize websites. It provides a wide selection of templates for different industries and website types, allowing users to start with a pre-designed layout and customize it for their preference. Okay, this is the home page again after we create the website. Now to get our business set up, we need to answer and following these steps over here with their questions. Now, what's the name of our business? We need to write it over here. You will just, this is independent to you, okay? You will just write your business name. Okay, we'll just choose this one. Is what's your business address? You will just write it over here. Then you got just click on next, and you will do the parameter of the time zone. This is independent on the country that you live in. We have here a lot of choices after we select. Give me a moment. Yeah, you just will select one from these over here, and the days and the time that clients can book services with our staff, the days, the from, and the time zone. Then you will go to the third step. It's the services. We need to add services over here. Let's add the services that we need to add them, like example kids party or all access pass, private party, because we already choose events. Yeah, the events designed. Yeah, that was the project. And package deal, like example. So let's click on next to pass to the next step. Add your staff client. Let clients know who they can book with. You'll be able to add more details later. You will just add the name over here and the email. This is optional. When you find optional, that means you can just skip this question or this step or whatever. Then click on next, and we have the last question in the last step. What else do you want to do with your business? We have here some choices that we need to do them. The accept online payments if you want that, send automated email and SMS reminders, or sell digital and physical products, or like example accept in-person payments and others. So let's just click on next and continue to dashboard. So this is the dashboard here. We have 3 of 6 completed of the steps. You can just complete the following questions or just skip them. Like you remember, we didn't full our business type or our first service added or the working hours, etc. So this is our website today. Excuse me. If you like the video, please subscribe for more and follow me to see more videos about another websites like that. So like usual, my guys, bye bye to the next video and next websites.